All right, so let's talk about the last aspect, some of the territorial and courtship and the rearing of the young, and also talking a little bit about migration. So during the breeding season, males usually establish an area that they defend against other males, and that's called territoriality. Basically, once he finds his territory, he attempts to attract a female to share it with. And so once they actually establish an area together, they go through a period of courtship, and that's designed basically to attract a mate. Many males attract females by their brightly colored feathers. Some will also do flight displays as well as song to attract the female. Let me pull this up, bigger screen. There we go. So next up is nest building. The nest holds the eggs that conceal the birds from predators and provide shelter from the elements. And sometimes birds even use that to attract a mate to themselves. Most of the nests are sheltered in well-hidden spots, anywhere from holes in the ground to treetops. Birds also construct their nests out of any material available. So anything they can find on the ground, bits of cardboard, etc., anything they can take, twigs, grass, feathers, mud, are some of the more common materials that are actually used to build the nests. Other phenomena you see with birds that we haven't seen before is migration. So when temperatures drop and the food supply begins to decrease, the birds migrate to warmer climate. They rely on several things in order to determine how to get there. They can some species monitor the position of the sun or the stars. Others rely on topographical landmarks such as mountains. Some have magnetic clues, so changes in air pressure, low frequency sounds may also provide information for birds. The ability for birds to read these clues, along with their adaptations for flight, allows them to basically able to live in any kind of environment. Okay, so that was the end on birds. You have a couple of things to do today. Number one, you have some articles that you're going to read and worksheets on the human impact story, both on the whooping crane and on the passenger pigeon. There is also an article on vanishing birds. Once you complete that, remember that you also have the Avies Note Guide and your presentation. So you have plenty to work on. I will post a video on birds if you get done to keep you busy, but make sure that you have completed the note guide, your presentation, and then the articles that I assigned today. Friday, you will be giving your presentation and you will be starting on the quiz on birds.